Today I am with the Ginger. We are, why are you hiding from the camera? We are going to pick up the head finally. I'm so excited. We'll be able to get the Evo back up and running probably within the next week, I'm hoping. We know for sure that it got decked, it got ported, and it has bigger valves. Anything else missing?
No.
No. Okay, so I will see you in just a couple minutes when we pick up the head.
Sorry, there's a squirrel.
Alrighty guys, so we just picked up the head. It is right back there on the ground. I don't know if you can see it. I'll get a better view and pull it out for you once we get home. It got done by Tim that used to work for RevWorks. He now works for Brown's Performance. I'll put the info down in the link below if you want to check it out. But in the meantime, I will see you guys back in a few. What's up guys, Amanda Ray here, and thanks for tuning into the channel. I am here with Bradley behind me, and we are finally putting the Evo back together, or at least getting it started. So I kind of briefly showed you when I was on my way home that we picked up the head, and here it is. We've already got it started because we were just anxious to get it back in, but it did obviously get ported. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'll try and walk around without knocking stuff over. Ugh. We already got the springs. We've got the retainers, the rockers. Everything is all installed, ready to go. We've got the Kiggly oil regulator. Everything is good to go. You can see the port job on this side. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it did get decked. It's beautiful. Look. I don't want to peel it all off. All right. I don't like doing this one-handed. It's very sketchy. Thank you. Look at those valves. All pretty. None of them are bent anymore. All right, so we got all this ready to go. The only difference between this head and the other head that we had is this right here is a stud. On the other one, it was a bolt, which for some reason...
I don't like it.
What?
I don't like it.
Okay, he doesn't like that, but it does not line up very well with this. Like, you can't mount it at all. You have to like drill it out or whatnot, so we're gonna do that after we get the head on and everything. We do have a new timing belt as well, because this timing belt has a little notch in it somewhere. We can't find the notch now, but we know it's there. So we bought an OEM Evo 9. This is a reinforced Kevlar situation. So hopefully the Evo will be almost back together by the end of this video, but can't guarantee anything. So I will update you guys as soon as we get started. Right, first step is the gasket. Seriously? You piece of shit.
Oh my god, it's so bad.
Haha. Alright, gasket is on. Now for the head. Alright, new head is on. And something I forgot to mention before, I did show you guys the new knock sensor that we have. It's gonna be almost impossible to see it now. But it is on, and the old one is hanging right here. So you got the old one here and the new one's on. I can probably find the clip and show you what I was talking about, but it's down there somewhere. All right, next. All right, so this timing belt, like I said, does have a notch in it somewhere. We're not sure where it was, but we know there was one. So we're just gonna do the easiest thing and get this one off because we have a new one. These scissors suck. Ugh. You pulling?
Yeah, I'm pulling. See?
Really?
You gotta actually like try and cut it.
Listen here, bro. These are kitchen scissors, okay?
Ridiculous.
Whatever.
You want it as a belt?
A belt? No, I'm good. Alright, old timing belt is done for. Again, we have got the Evo 9 Kevlar timing belt. Alright, now we are going to put all of these in. And he gave me a mission of putting them in without dropping them. Because if I drop them, then I'm in trouble. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Alright guys, so he told me to put the washers on while he's doing prepping other stuff over there. And he said not to drop them, so I'm gonna do it like a cheat way. Because I don't want to drop them.
All 10?
All 10. Alright, all 10 are in.
You're still gonna need that.
Whoop, whoop. We've got all washers and all bolts on. Now we just have to tighten them. We got the new timing belt situated right here. Now we gotta do all of that.
You like this part?
It's torque time. All right, so now we're gonna torque down low. So we're finishing this motor in probably, I would say 6 months, give or take, hopefully less, to pull the whole motor and put it in the white Evo. Seems like a lot, right? Yes, it's that race car life. So you go 30, we go 60-ish, and now we're going to a hundo, which is a little difficult, so I'm gonna let the Ginger continue to torque. To a hundo. This is the one, guys, that we have to drill out a little bit because, again, on our head, it is a stud, not a bolt.
I don't want a bolt.
Huh?
I don't want a bolt.
And you don't want a bolt. It was a bolt on this head, but he doesn't want that. Hi, Alrighty guys, so we got all the wiring situated back here, if you can see it. We just had to zip tie a few things out of the way. And now we are going to be putting this on. See? We had to drill out that one back there. And it's a perfect fit.
Alright.
Now for all the bolts, which we have right there. Alrighty guys, so we've got majority of the insides-ish done. Now we are going to time the motor. So I got my handy dandy little tool ready, and let's get started. Okay. Alright, so we just put the little tool doodad in. Best thing, best thing to do as I don't know if I can get the camera in there. You can see it matches perfectly on that one and perfectly on that one. So now comes the annoying part. Here we go, guys. We've got, well, we can still tighten this too if you want.
I gotta get down there for stuff.
Oh, okay. Well, we've got everything back on. We officially timed the motor. As you can see here, the belt is now tight and the lines still match, which is good. So it is all timed. The only thing that we have to do now is to put the cover back on, which is
In this box,
in
the
a,
one that you didn't break.
in that box right there, because I accidentally broke that one. And you know what's funny is that's exactly how I broke it the last time, is he left this gun sitting here and it just tipped over and snapped it. It was a brand new cover and that's how it snapped, from this being sitting here, and it just fell right on top. Anyway, lesson learned, new one stays in the box. So we just have to put that cover on, and we've got to route a few lines over there I see that aren't connected. You know, put the turbo back where it's supposed to be. Right now it's being held up by zip ties. We gotta do a small tool cleanup, as you guys can see. But overall, the Evo should be back up and running, I would say, by the end of the week. And today is Thursday. So by the end of this video, I'm hoping, or this video or the next, and finally, yay, new gaskets, guys. The gaskets that he didn't want to replace last time. And we already have a pre-tune sent to us from the tuner.
So hopefully it starts right
So
up.
hopefully it should start right up. We will see. Check out that beautiful new gasket. Finally. Fingers crossed that the Evo is back up and running by the end of the week, guys. We will see, and I'll see you guys next time.